Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine, right? In last English session, we had understood the lesson The Wind and the Sun. In today's session, we will do question answer of this lesson The Wind and the Sun and some exercises of the same lesson. So, watch all videos properly and complete all your work properly in your notebook as well as in your textbook. So, let's start our English session. Students, first let's do the question answer of the lesson The Wind and the Sun. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What did the wind do to get the man's coat off? What did the wind do to remove the man's coat? So the answer, the wind blew hard to get the man's coat off. Right? The wind blew hard. Question 2. What did the sun do to get the man's coat off? The wind blew hard. But what did the sun do to get the man's coat off? The sun started shining hard to get the man's coat off. What the sun started shining hard, right? To give heat, right? To generate heat. The sun started shining hard to get the man's coat off. Question 3, last. Who won in the end? लास्ट में कौन जीता? Who won in the end? The sun won in the end. The sun, right? The sun won in the end. So these are 3 question answer. You write down in your English notebook as well as learn it also. Textbook, page number 48. In lesson The Wind and the Sun. See, reading is fun. First, 3 question answers given. This question answer we have already done. Now see here. Who said this to whom? Here some sentences are given. We have to find out these sentences who said and to whom. So first, I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. Who is speaking these sentences? The wind. And to whom? To the sun. So the wind said to the sun. Second, I will let you try first. Who is speaking? Yes, correct. The sun. And to whom? To the wind. So the sun said to the wind. How cold it is. Who is speaking this sentence? The man. And to no one but to himself. So the man to himself. I give up. I cannot get his coat off. The wind to the sun. This sentence is speaking by the wind and to the sun. Correct. I have won. Who is speaking this sentence? The sun. Because sun won, no? So the sun to the wind. So write down these 4 in your English prose notebook.